Hi, my dear friends. I hope you all are doing fine. As so many people are taking the 20 tester service, but the new policy has been rolled out of the Google Play console, saying that these people are doing the 20 tester service, mean that there is a new option has been added. You should only not install the application and you have to test the application every day. And apart from that, there is a new policy has been rolled out that's saying that the old policy only, but new section has been added in that. That is, as you go in the Twitter tester policy of a new personal developer account. So in that, we give just go below on the down and you see that gathering the view of user feedback. This is the most important thing. This is the new rules of the Google that if you have any app in the testing, you can access a reply to your feedback to Play Console feedback from the user on visibility. You can able to see in the Google Play Console. Open the Play Consoles and the testing the feedback pages, review and ratings. So who are the doing the 20 tester? It is a mandatory now that you have to give the ratings and the review also for your app. When you are been testing your app for the 14 days, so you should make sure that you need to give the rating and the views for your applications or games or whatever app you have been publishing in that. So that is the most important thing because the decision which you have been browsing your feedback filter to see the blocking and based of the content such as data, language, reply status, app version, developer, and more. So in based on the review, only the Google will be going to release your app for the next level. So it is going to close your testers. If you are not giving any review or ratings, then you are going to go for the next step. So it will going to stop. So many customers apps has been stopped. You people are saying, sir, my 20 test hasn't complete, but still app is not been reviewed and it's not coming to the next step. It's almost 1 month. It is not been going forward or anything. The biggest thing is user must give their feedback and the rating. That is the biggest problem now everybody is facing. Please try to avoid and see that the who are giving you a 20 tester, make sure them it is either your friends or any service provider who is giving you 20 testers, and we are also giving a 20 tester service. Make sure you people give the ratings and the review. That is the most important thing. By the tester, they have to give their feedback in that. So based on that only Google will be going to release your application. Until that now it won't be released. This is the most important thing. Most of people are just they have been installing the app and keeping and opening every day, but it is now you have to do the review and rating also. So each and every day the Google is making a strict policy. You should make sure that which are the policies Google is mentioning. You have to deploy with that and you have to do it. As we are also giving the 20 tester service, as you can go in the reset info tag. This is our official website. In this, go in the 20 tester website. So this is a 20 tester website. As you can see, we are also providing the 20 tester service, all the steps and details you can able to see video, and we are giving the real devices not only from the one location. We are giving from the different locations like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, US, and Canada. So the users of app will be different countries, and we are giving the real devices activation for them. So it won't be a problem to you, and we are giving a feedback also whether your feedback or we will write our from our side feedback. So it's depend on that. So we can see this is our website and this is our prices. If you really want our 20 tester service, you can come and chat with us. We will going to help you out. If you want to contact with us, you can able to call from us and you can WhatsApp or you can give you the contact form also. And you can see our mobile number also. If you want, you can find in the description also our mobile number. And you can find this website also in the description. If you want, please let us know. We will going to do it. And please, who are doing the 20 tester service, please write the review and comments also in that feedback. Otherwise, your app won't be going next step for that. So I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends and colleagues who are facing the 20 tester service. If you want, we will provide you a 20 tester service with a good price. You can pay with the EMI also. You don't need to pay one time, one EMI, one payment in the single shot. You can pay in the installment shots also. Those are for your trust. So I hope you will really like it, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.